Another day, another Love Boat video. Man, the humidity, last couple days have been terrible. It's been foggy as crap in the morning. What a mess. But we are now coming to the end of whale week. We're going to end this one with a drive. It seems that the people have spoken. The Boss 429 scoop is what they like. So that's fortuitous because that's what I was going to put back on. So I'm going to put the air bell on the carburetor, but I am going to put the scoop on. It won't be like a sealed deal, but we ran that before on the LTD, and it ran fine. So that's what we're going to do this time. I'll probably take the Lexan Scoop with me. I'm not going to get into trying to do too many things on the last day. Just not even worried about it. I'll just have it with me just in case I get a wild hair and decide, hey, let's unbolt the Boss Scoop and throw the Lexan on real quick. I'll have it if I want to do that, but I don't foresee that happening. So that's for a later date. And hopefully we'll have some of those later dates of that one. Anyway, also, yeah, here, see? So testing too. So Joey being a little cryptic there at the end. So I heard he's already having quitter's remorse. Who knows? As you guys, in the last couple years of us going to the track, and you've watched these videos, who knows with Joey? Just who knows? So we'll see how it all works out. If we end up with Joey as the landlord, or we get a new landlord, or we have no landlord and have to go to Mobile, we'll see. Speaking of Mobile, they were having a testing tune tonight. I did not even mention it to anyone in the group or anything, see if anyone wanted to go, like Pirate or somebody, because we have had so much like moisture in the air at night with it getting foggy, and the dewdrop has been freaking nuts. I mean, you can see on the car, well, you can't really see, but that right there, I mean, it's been crazy. So the last couple of days when I've been going to work, I can't see 10 feet in front of me. So coupled with my last experience at Mobile in the FLTD, Coyote Brian's recent experience, and then the heavy dew fall and stuff, I wasn't in no rush to go. That's just, you know, we got one coming up Sunday. We wanted to work on the car. We got some other cars. We got other things got to work on. So anyway, I guess that's it real quick. So let me get the cover off and put the scoop on and all this other rigmarole. See you guys in the next clip. We got the air bell on it. Now let's bolt the scoop on. There we go. We got the Boss back on, and you can barely see the air bell. It's basically level with the hood, so that's just about perfect for me. I mean, it works, whatever. We also, oh crap, we gotta do something about how to open our hood, because this is inconvenient about how we have it set up. Okay, I got it. It's been a while. This is one of the beauties of the Boss. Look at that. Open it up. Well, you got two hands, you grab the other corner. There we go. Okay, we're back in business. I knew I used to be able to open this hood fairly easily, so we got it now. We're good. It's getting a little overcast. There was a slight chance of rain today, so we need to kind of hustle it up a little bit, get on the road, just around the block a few times and do what we can do. Let's cold start it and let it warm up a little bit. Put the GoPro in it. See what happens. the way you're supposed to break a clutch in and then go race it. But break it in hard, it'll run hard. Tussin tip. All right, guys, we're on our road to success. I can feel it. I can feel it in my plums. We're going on another drive. We went on one, and the YouTube file got corrupted. That's all we got was the end, so I'm gonna try and give one more. Drive it with the clutch a little bit more. Auto. in high school that had a set of floor mats when he bought it. It said, evil, mean, and nasty. It had 305 in it. That thing couldn't get out of its own way. Looked good though. I mean, squeeze this big son of a gun in here. Job done, bitches. Wow. All right, Big Daddy, we're ready for Sunday. Well, guys, that's it. Whale Week is officially over with. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. I know the views aren't real big, but I don't do it for views. I do it because it's fun. And to be perfectly honest, there were times during this week where things were frustrating, but all in all, I had a great time. I had a lot of fun working on the car. The weather, while not fantastic, because it's humid right now, has not, been pretty good. So I had fun. I enjoyed myself. I stayed on schedule. I don't think I'm gonna change the jets in the carb. I might, I don't know, but I probably will just leave it alone since it seems to be running fairly decently. We may make a small clutch adjustment, but we might do that at the track. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to see. That'll give me a few more times putting it off and on the trailer with the clutch and stuff like that. I may drive it again, like I said. I may drive it one more time. So technically speaking, if I do that, maybe I'll put it in with the track video. I don't know. Or maybe I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, I had fun. I mean, I had a good time. That's what it's all about. If you can't enjoy your hobby, why are you doing it? There's always going to be trials and tribulation, all that stuff. I've been doing this a long time. I know some of you guys have been doing it a long time too. And, it wears on you at times, but, like I say, I enjoyed myself. I had a good time. I'm happy with where the car is. It's always fun when you do things to the car, things that you want to do, and you see the results of it, or you're pleased with the results of it. And I'm happy with the results. I'm happy with the steering column. I'm happy with the line lock button. I'm happy with the steering wheel. I'm happy with the transmission stuff. The drive shaft so far so good. Of course, we hadn't went over 35 mile an hour probably. So so far I'm happy with everything. Carburetor, it's running pretty decent. The engine, got a good oil pressure. It's it's not overheating or anything like that. I mean, it's got a small radiator, but everything looks pretty good. So I'm optimistic. I think we got it this time. We got the starter fixed. Like I say, I don't know how many passes that we're going to get. It could be really busy, or it could not be very busy. It's a crapshoot. So, but like I said, I'm gonna try and make passes right off the trailer and get some get to know you passes. Just get a couple of baseline numbers that we can put in the books, and then we can start leaning on it. And if it breaks, it is what it is. I'm not going to worry about it. I get upset about the little stuff. The starter thing would drove me crazy at the track. We go up there and break the transmission, that happens. We go up there and break an axle, that happens. We tear something loose on the control arm stuff, that happens. That's all on me. But I want to race it. I want to race it. This is a perfect example of, hey, I can't race it till I get axles and it's perfect. No, you can go up there and race it. You can be as aggressive or not as aggressive as you want to be. But I'll be up there racing it. I'll be up there having fun, trying to bang gears in something that no one else is up there banging gears in. And honestly, that's probably a good thing. But it's something that I have wanted to do for a long time, is have a car like this. And I'm getting it a lot closer. Just like with the Fail TD, I've fallen in love with it. The closer it gets to how I see it, the more I love it. So I'm real happy with the car. Again, thanks to Sean Scobie, thanks to Jason for the parts that they contributed to this. Thanks to you guys for watching the videos with the little bit of YouTube money that we make. We bought wheels, we've bought front tire. I mean, just stuff like that, all the little stuff. Also, thanks to Race Price. They sent us the hood pin stuff. So thanks to you guys for that. But that's it. I know it's a lot of talking, but I'm in a good mood. When I'm in a good mood, I talk a lot. So thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching.
thanks, especially thanks for everything that you guys do to support the channel. We couldn't do it without you, and we wouldn't want to. And until next time on Self-Standard Leader and Fox Body videos on this here man's YouTube. 1 year stick shift single plane push rod Lincoln Town Cars for drag vans. Proud owner, proprietor, DJ, parking lot trash picker upper, drink VIP server, extreme pole dancer of Club Big Boost. As always, fighting that good fight against some zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks again for joining us for Whale Week. We had a whale of a good time.